Hi kids, welcome to Learn. In this video, I will help you to learn in 3rd standard English in 3rd unit the poem Little by Little. Let us start to learn. First, what you should do? You should write the index. In the index, first write the date, then topic. I hope all of you had written the date and topic in the index. Let us start the poem. Before to that, I want to tell you, my dears, you already studied in EVS the chapter The Plant Fairy. It is all about the plants, isn't it? So, what are the concepts you studied in the Plant Fairy? Related to that rhythmic way, a beautiful poem you are going to learn in this video. So, in this video, first it explains about how a seed develops into a new plant. A seed develops into a new plant. What we call that? Seed germination. A small seed, it will be hidden inside the sand, soil, soil, and it will starts to grow slowly. First it will develops the root, then starts the shoot. Shoot means the parts above the ground. The parts which grow from the seed above the ground. It can be the leaves, it can be stem, flowers, everything all together. So, the first concept we will learn, that is seed germination. The next one, the seed nothing but here acorn. Acorn means seed of oak tree. Okay, how it starts to grow, germination of acorn, how it starts to grow into a mighty oak. Mighty means strong. So, in this poem, there are three important concepts from the Plant Fairy chapter explained in a rhythmic, beautiful way. First concept, it is about the germination. What is germination? Second one, it is about the plant parts. Plant parts and the life cycle. So, these three important concepts I am going to include with this poem. Okay. First, mainly two concepts. One is germination. Second one, parts of the plant. I had included one more, that is how a seed starts to grow stage by stage and it develops into a oak tree. And in a higher class, you will study this is life cycle. This is more than enough. Now, you see, here it is a acorn. Acorn means the seed of oak tree. And it starts to grow into a new plant. So, that root and this is shoot. And gradually it will develops into a mighty oak. It becomes a mighty oak. So, all of a sudden, is it becoming? No, not at all. How it will be? Little by little, slowly, each stage it cross. You just imagine about yourself. As soon as you born, did you become like this much a big third standard child? No, not at all. So, slowly you develops how you started to crawl, you started to stand, started to walk, run, then started to develop your teeth, speak. Isn't it? So many stages you crossed. In that same way, even the seeds also cross with the different stages, then it become a mighty oak. Now I showed this is a oak tree and the close view, okay, the close view of the leaves and the acorn. This is acorn. You can see this is acorn and these are the leaves of the oak tree. Okay, my dears, let us start with the poem. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I'm improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward, it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is a forest pride. A beautiful poem about a plant. Which plant? About a oak plant, oak tree. The seed of oak is acorn. Little by little, an acorn set. As it slowly means a very low speed, sank in its mossy bed. Mossy means the green layer where watery moisture you can feel, in that place you can see near to the tank and all. Green layer it will be, that is called mossy bed. So in the forest and all you can see in some of the places green layers it will be. That is called mossy bed. So the acorn slowly sank. It is hidden. It went inside the mossy bed. I'm improving every day. So improving means developing. Okay, improving means developing. Day by day becoming better. That is improving. Hidden deep. Hidden means what to say? Out of our sight. You just imagine root. Are you able to see? Can you able to see? No, because it is hidden deep in the earth. Okay, so the seed starts to develop the root. Little by little, each day it grew. Grew is a past tense for grow. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Dew means the water droplets you can see on the leaves, especially early morning. If you get up early in the morning, you can see on the grass and all water droplets will be. That is called dew. Okay. Little by little, it sipped the dew. So slowly only it starts to grow a corn. Each day it grew little by little. And little by little it sipped the dew. Sipped means, do you know, my dears? Like suppose if you love the coffee or soup, anything, whichever the liquid food you love it, slowly you will enjoy and drink. So that is called sipped. So the plant also, the seed also sipped the dew, the water droplets, which one will be available on the mossy bed. Okay. Downward, it sent out a thread like root. How the root? Thread like thread. So this is a describing word. Already you studied. Already I explained in the last video. Naming word and the describing word. Isn't it? Yes, you can see some more words also. Mossy bed. You can see the mossy bed. Isn't it? This is not only grass, my dears. That is uh, we say algae, but in higher class you will study about the algae, mossy. Near to the tank and all, you can see the green layer that is called mossy. Okay, mossy bed. And you can see little also here, describing word. Thread like root. So, how is the root? Thread like root. So, this is also an describing word or describing word. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. So downward it sent out a thread like root, because from the seed downward the root grows and upward up the shoot grows. Isn't it? Down the root grows and up the shoot grows. Shoot means the stem, leaf all together. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear. So slowly, one leaf, two leaves, 10 leaves, 100 leaves. So slowly, it will take days and years together to develop lots and lots of leaves. And the slender branches. Slender means very thin, spread far and wide. Slender means very thin. Okay. Whenever the plant starts to grow, the new plant have very thin branches only, and afterwards only it will starts to develop very strong branches and all, till the mighty oak is a forest pride. Mighty oak. Mighty means strong. Forest pride. Pride means feel proud. Okay, this strong oak is a forest pride. I hope all my dears you understood at least some extent this poem. So what are the things explained in this? Seed. Here which seed? Acorn. Acorn starts to grow slowly like a downward root. And how is the root? Thread like, and up the shoot, and the leaves and all started to grow and the branches appear. Then afterwards, mighty oak, strong oak tree start, it developed. It is a forest pride. So what are the things here you can see? First thing, you can see the rhyming words. Said, bed, day, away. What are rhyming words? The words which ends with the same sound. Grew, dew, root, shoot, ear, appear, wide, pride. And some of the past tense words also I told. Grow, past tense grew. Sip, past tense sipped. So, related to EVS, what are the things you studied? Let us learn. And what is this picture explains? This picture explains about the acorn sipped the dew. Okay, yes. Now you can see what are the concepts related to EVS you studied in this poem. First thing, seed germination. A seed starts to sink in the mossy bed, then start to develop into a plant. Slowly, first root develops, then the shoot. Then how from a small seed into a very big tree it becomes. Then very important one, parts of a plant. So below the ground, what are the parts? That is called root system. Above the ground, that is called shoot system. Okay, and shoot system includes stem, leaf, branches, fruit, flower, everything together, that is called shoot system. Okay, my dears, I hope all of you had understood and enjoyed this poem. And two activities for you. First activity, you are going to sow the seeds and observe how it starts to grow into a new plant. Observe, take the photograph and upload, okay, to my uh, in the Google Classroom. You can upload it. Then second one, read the poem at least for 2 times, and you can draw the plant and label it. Okay, my dears, take care. I hope all of you are fine and keeps on happy learning. Take care. Bye.